Hello guys, it's me, Nikki, and hello, hi.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Smitha, not Nikki. Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing quite a different video from my other tutorials. I will be following NIKKIETutorials to do my own makeup. I'm going to strip all my knowledge down. I will behave like I don't know how to do makeup, and I'm just going to blindly follow what she does and try to achieve a similar look. If you guys didn't know, this whole trend about follow another beauty guru's tutorial to do your own makeup was started a couple of weeks ago by Thomas Halbert, who is another YouTuber, and since then so many people have followed other beauty gurus to do their own makeup. There's a couple reasons why I chose this particular tutorial to follow. One, because I myself am a big fan of Nikki. I think she's the reigning queen of YouTube when it comes to makeup. Second, because this is one of those tutorials of Nikki's that I haven't watched. It's out of my comfort zone. It's not really the kind of makeup that I do, and I wanted to really challenge myself. So I wanted that element of surprise. And third, because I wanted to show you guys that it is not necessary to have all of the products that all beauty gurus have to get a similar look. A lot of times you guys comment on my videos saying that you really love how I do my makeup, but you can't afford the products. Well, the fact is you don't need all of the products. You can create similar looks with what you have, which is what I will be doing today. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have her tutorials running right in front of me, and I'm going to follow everything step by step.
With anything, you want to make sure that you have a very nice moisturized base to work with. I went in with a couple of moisturizers like an hour before filming to really let it soak in.
So I did apply a couple of layers of moisturizer half an hour before. I think that should do.
Product I'll be going in with is by NYX. This is called the Angel Veil.
So Angel Veil is a silicone based primer. I don't have that, so instead I will be using the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline, which is also a silicone based primer.
I'm going to go in with one of my all-time favorite combinations, the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover in 301 with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in 201.
Mine is super simple, one foundation. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in 108. Nikki is applying it directly with a beauty sponge, but I like to first apply it with my fingers and then spread it out with a sponge. Otherwise, I feel like the sponge absorbs too much product.
For concealer today, I'm going to go in with the Morphe concealer in the color Sand.
I don't have that either, so I'm going to go with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Pure Beige.
How good does this combo look? I love the look of my skin right now.
Me too.
Before we do anything on the eyes, it's really important to prime, and my favorite product for this is MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot.
I'm just going to be using a concealer.
Because this is an all matte look, it is really important to now set that primer so that the eyeshadow that you put on over top later on doesn't pull or tug anywhere.
Okay.
Medium warm toned brown, I'm just defining my crease from inner to outer corner, and make sure you blend the edges with a clean brush after.
So inner to outer corner, actually outer to inner corner, and then I'm going to blend out everything.
NYX White Gel Eyeliner. I'm going to cut the lid. I'm going to go a little bit above my natural crease so that when I look straight forward with my hooded eyes, you still see some of the white peeking through.
I don't even have the NYX white gel liner, so I'm going to be using my concealer, hoping that it turns out the same color at the end.
I'm going to set that new crease area using a matte white shadow by Inglot.
I'm just using a white matte eyeshadow by Maybelline.
Now I'm softly blending in that crease color on the outer third of the lid, smoothly blending it into the white.
Me too.
NYX's white liquid liner, I'm going to create a wing and define the edge of where my new crease is right now.
I'm going to be doing the same but with my Ulta white eyeliner.
Now I'm going to fill the inside of that white liner up using iridescent green teal rhinestones. First you want to put down a little bit of glue and then stick the rhinestone right over top. Open up the eyes, some white kohl on the waterline.
Okay.
Remember that crease color? I'm also applying that to the lower lash line.
And I am doing the same.
And to seal the deal, now going in with lashes. These are Lily Lashes Lush.
And to seal my deal, I'm doing the 204s from Ardell.
In with the Hoola Light first to warm up my skin. With circular motions, I just start giving my cheeks a little bit more pizzazz. Just give it a little bit of warmth. See how that already gives me more life. And then also let's not forget about the forehead and temples. Go for a nice peachy coral to really liven up that face. I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild blush in pearlescent pink.
Okay, that's one product that I have.
Everglow, I'm sorry, I'm getting repetitive. I can't get enough of Everglow.
But I don't have that product, so I'll be using the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals.
And then I always like to add a little bit above the brow and right on the center of the face because it can look a little bit weird when you have like really blinding cheeks and the rest of your face is really matte. So I feel like as a cohesive like finishing touch, adding that above the brow, forehead, like a little bit on the chin, it really helps make it more like believable. Love nude lips.
Me too.
Therefore, I'm gonna go in with one of my all-time favorite nude lipsticks that stays and looks beautiful with this look. This is Charlotte Tilbury Kim KW.
Instead, close enough, I will be using the Rimmel Lasting Finish by Kate. This is a nude lipstick in the shade 46.
All right, and adding a tiny bit of definition using a little bit of lip liner on the sides. Now to finish it all off, I'm going to set my face using this setting spray by Maybelline called Super Stay 24 Hour.
And I, my friends, will be using my Wet n Wild setting spray.
Loves concludes this prom makeup tutorial.
I truly enjoyed watching Nikki do it on herself and following her tutorial step by step. A big fan moment here. I've always adored Nikki, not just because she's the reigning queen of YouTube for makeup, but also for the person she is. She's a beautiful person inside out, and I hope I could do some justice by coming close enough to what she's created. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and comment below and let me know your thoughts. And I will see you again on Thursday with a brand new one. Bye, guys.